Hi, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I've got some sorting out and rearranging to do with my sinking funds. So instead of me doing it behind the scenes, I just thought I would record it so I can be accountable. I don't know if I'm going to be making sense or not. Usually I'm quiet in my craft room and I'm getting on with it. I don't do any talking or explaining. The only explaining I do is pen and paper. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try my best to explain everything now. Right. A couple of days ago, I emptied out my coin jar and the total was £194. So what I did, I changed it all up and I want to put it towards a savings challenge. But I spent some of the money out of the £194. I spent £23 on my nails and I gave £64 to giving and charity. I now want to take out, so that's 23 and 64, just so I remember. Now I want to go to my nails, because when I went and got my nails done, I had all the shellac taken off and I've just got a sheer nail polish on it at the moment because I want to give my nails a break from the gel. So that's what I've done. So it cost me £23. That's including a little tip. I'm going to take that out. I had £35, so I'm going to take out 25 and I'm going to leave this 10 in for now. So that is going to go back into the £194 that I have. I'm keeping my hair because I should be having my hair done very soon. I've got £60 in there. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Right, so I've got £60 in there for my hair. And then for my going out, I need to take out £15, plus I'm going to take out £5 out of that. So I spent £15 on my hair, on my going out. So that would leave me with, so what are we, April now? April, minus 15, balance 15. Great. So that's for my going out. And I'm going to put this to one side. But what I'm going to do with this £5, for my hobbies, I have £70 in my hobbies, and I spent quite a few pounds on Etsy this month. Everything came up to £74 in total, and I only have £70 here. That's 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, and I'm going to use that £5 to round it up for £75. That's going back to the bank because of what I spent on Etsy this month with the small businesses. So that's going back to the bank, and I have nothing in hobbies now. Let's just take that out. So that's April, minus 70, and I have nothing. And then that's the labour. We leave that for now because I'm not putting anything in. My well-being, now that I'm not going back to the nail shop to have my nails done, but I definitely will have my feet done. It is very therapeutic for me to have my feet done. It's not, the nails doesn't feel that special like my feet, but I always look forward to having my feet done. So I will continue to stuff for my feet in here. Let me see now. So £15 going out is going back to the bank, and so is hobbies. I've just got to write that down because I'm so bad. Going out 15 and hobbies 75. Great. That's my sinking funds readjusted. I'm not quite sure when I'm going to stuff it. I'm going to have to wait and see. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90 pounds to the bank, and then I can work out what I want to do with the balance of the £194 that I changed up with the £1 coins. So I will definitely share that with you on another video. I really hope I made sense with this one today. I know my videos are a little bit shorter because I'm trying to do them in little, you know, blocks, so they're not too long, and it's more manageable for me as well because my concentration span is really limited due to the tinnitus that I suffer with, and I can't concentrate for long periods of time. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye for now. Bye.